everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm showing you guys my chit chat video for the Walgreens ad preview. It's going to be a slow week. Usually when it's a slow week they do the 5 times everyday points when you guys spend $10 or more, so just letting you guys know on that. But the first deal, I don't really see anything that really pops out at me on the front page, except they got like the Tide Pods for $2.99, so that's an okay deal. We do have the Lindsay olives. Those are going to be 2 for $2, but you guys do need this coupon. You can either have the cashier scan the coupon, or you can clip it to your card. But we do have those $2 off of 1 printable coupons that you guys can print off of ilovelindsay.com. You can do it a couple times. I've signed up for like a couple times under the same email, but there is that. So you guys would use that $1 off 2 coupon. There is deals on the Lindsay olives on Ibotta.com, or Ibotta. So you guys could end up getting each can of the Lindsay olives for $1, which I think is a great deal. So definitely try to print that coupon before it disappears. Here we got Chobani yogurt right here, 3 for $3. I'm not sure if those coupons that we got for free cover those, but if you guys want to get some free yogurt, that's a great thing to get at Walgreens, I guess. So there's that. I gotta go back. We got oatmeal, 2 for $6. We do have a $1 off a 2 coupon, which comes out to be $2.50. So there's that. I know there's 50-cent coupons for the Post cereal for like Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles. So it's just kind of a slow week at Walgreens. Here we got, you know, alcohol. Nothing really with registry rewards. I don't see hardly anything. Orbit gum, I know we have those 25 or 50 cents off of 2 coupons. We also have, yeah, and then they got the Easter candy deals, but it's a slow week. Here they got nice brand baggies, 99 cents, other types of baggies, paper plates, aluminum foil, those are 99 cents, so that's a great deal if you guys want that. Angel Soft, I do think there's 50-cent off coupons out there. Otherwise, you guys can print off a 50-cent coupon off the Angel Soft website. Right here is actually a pretty good deal. We got the Gain Pods. What they are is they're on sale for $4.99, and then there's a deal where if you guys buy 3 of them, you get 3,000 points. Now, what you guys want to use if you guys have these is you guys want to use 2 of these $2 off Gain coupons. Plus, there is a digital coupon that you guys can clip to your card. You guys use those 3 coupons. You guys would pay $8.97. But then you get 3,000 points for buying 3 of them. And yes, you guys can pay with points to get points for this deal. You guys would end up paying $5.97, or they come out to be $1.99 a piece. So that's a pretty good deal. They also have the Bounce. It says the Downy Unstoppables, Gain Flings, fabric softener. So there might be some other deals with that. They also have the OxyClean laundry detergent. Now I remember there were some printable coupons not that long ago. I might still have some if they haven't expired yet, but definitely try to do that deal if you guys can do it. The Lysol is 2 for $5, Clorox $4.09, 2 for $5. There are some like 50-cent coupons that you guys can use for that. For personal care items like medicines and vitamins, not much going on. The Centrum is $6.99. I'm not sure if those, I don't think those coupons are good for I think they expired actually, so there's that. Not much else going on here. There's Flonase, this is $24.99. I do think there's a $10 off coupon, plus there is a $6 off deal on Saving Star, so if you guys want Flonase, Robitussin $2 off, or $2 off, it's hard to say, it says $2 off or $4 off. I don't know what the difference is for that. Here we're on Band-Aids, buy one get one 50% off. Just not a lot. Nothing going on with toothpaste or mouthwash, body wash. But they do have the Yardley on sale for 69 cents. There is a coupon that is from the 1/7 Smart Source, but it does expire that Sunday. So it does expire Sunday the 18th. But if you guys want to use that $1 off of 4 coupon, you guys could get all 4 bars of soap for $1.76 or just 44 cents a piece, which could be a pretty good deal if you guys really enjoy that. The Vino products are 2 for $10, including the baby, and I just saw some coupons that you guys can print off of healthyessentials.com for $2.50 off for a specific product. So I don't know if they have that at Walgreens, but you guys might be able to get that for an okay deal. Dial hand soap is going to be buy one get one free. We do have those $1 off of 2 coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. Also, we have the printables that were on coupons.com. We got the Chic Intuition. It's going to be $9.99. If you spend $20, you get 5,000 points. Gillette razors, there's the $7.99 deal. If it says, actually, that's a pretty good deal. There's $7.99. There's going to be a $1 off coupon, and if you guys buy one, you guys will get a $5 registry reward. So I'm going to try to check out that deal because that seems like a awesome deal. It ends up becoming like $1.99 maybe. There's the Bic razors. They're $5.99 plus a $3 off online coupon. I know some of you guys might have inserts for that. I do not ever get the Bic insert coupons. And then it says 3,000 points when you buy 2. So those could be some great freebies. Here they got the mane and tail shampoo and conditioner. Those are on $2.99. I've seen hang tag coupons on those like crazy for like $1 off. So there's that. Nexus is if you spend $20, you guys get $10 in points. I don't think there's any coupons for that, but you guys could basically get each bottle for $5. It's up to you guys what you want to buy. Here we got makeup. Everything's pretty much buy one, get one 50% off. Photo, not much going on with the photo department. And then now we're on the last page of the ad. M&M's 2 for $6. You got General Mills cereal 2 for $4. Kellogg's, it's actually going to be buy one get one free. Now you're not getting a great deal because those boxes are like $4 or $5 for one of them. So it's up to you guys depending on what the price is if you guys want to do that deal. So it's not the greatest deal. That's how they get you the buy one get one free. But that is the Walgreens ad preview for February 18th through February 24th. Like I said, it's going to be a small week or a small insert. Plus, we don't get any coupons that day either. So just be prepared. It's a slow week for everything. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I can show you guys more deals. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.